What are literary recounts? A literary recount retells events from novels, plays, films, and personal experiences to entertain others. A literary recount can be about real or fictional events and characters. It tells us what happened. The purpose of a literary recount is to retell a sequence of events so that it entertains. The structure of a literary recount. You begin with a title. Then you have an orientation, which introduces the story, characters, or objects. Then you have the series of events, a sequence set of events that retell a particular story or time in the past. Then you end with a conclusion. It sums up the story and brings it to an end. The title should reflect to the audience what the rest of the text is going to be about. The orientation is also called the introductory paragraph. The setting and characters are introduced, giving the reader an idea of what the text will be about. In the sequence of events, each of the events involved in the recount is discussed. These events are written in the order that they occurred, which is called chronological order. The purpose of the sequence of events is to tell the story, including what happened, feelings involved, and how any problems were dealt with. The conclusion. This is the final paragraph of the text. It includes a concluding statement and any additional comments that are relevant to the events that have occurred. Language features of a literary recount. These include descriptive language, past tense, such as was, were, asked, came, began, gave, went, first or third person, such as I, we, he, she, it, they, the use of time connectives to sequence the events, such as first, last, next, after, later, or then, and the use of action verbs to refer to events, such as grew, ate, and flew. Here are some examples of a literary recount. A recount of a traditional story, example The Gingerbread Man, or a humorous and creatively interpreted recount of an ordinary incident that actually took place.
Created using Powtoon.